So we are back again guys with another video. So today pupunta tayo ng Baguio City. Mukha ba akong walang tulog talaga? Well, totoo naman. Ay, sobrang pagod ako. Medyo haggard yung mukha ko. Yung eye bags, medyo halata na. Oh my God. Anyways, so nandito kami ngayon sa isang stopover muna. Pahinga muna saglit kasi syempre pagod eh. Pero it's another long run to go. So hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to like and subscribe if you seem to enjoy one of these kind of videos. That would be very much appreciated. Oo nga pala, check muna tayo guys. Ayos na. Pwede na rin. Maga na agad guys, oh. Wow, very fast yung oras. Ang bilis talaga ng oras. Rolling. Bandwagon alert. So, dito tayo ngayon sa Burnham Park. It's been almost a year since we last visited. Yeah. Nakapahinga na rin ako actually. Doon sa bahay na pagsistayan namin. Then, yun. 3 days kami dito sa Baguio. So, wow, woohoo, so exciting. So, hope you guys enjoy. By the way, shoutout nga pala kay Lawrence Zape, Boss Lawrence Zape. Tapos si Boss Gabriel Nieto. Sana mabuhay pa kayo sa gusto niyo. Yeah, and enjoy!
The next day.
Guys, dito tayo ngayon sa The Mansion along Baguio. Very hot right now kaya naka-shades ako. Giordano. Yes sir. Fit check. Pwede na rin. Dito rin sa likod is I believe ito yung Ride Park. Ride Park ata to. So yeah, day 2 ng Baguio. 3 days kasi kami dito sa Baguio. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoy. Nasa Sunkiss ako ngayon eh. Sheesh! Nasa Sunkiss ako. Grabe nga yun. Wow! Amazing! Amazing naman nun. Yan, lamig din eh. Okay, so currently nandito tayo. Walking sa Baguio. Yeah. Very heavy streets right now. Very busy. May onting traffic pero yeah. Okay guys, pagod na ako kasi
the next day.
okay guys, bali nasa ano tayo, nasa somewhere in Pangasinan. Oh, nasa Pangasinan tayo ngayon. So, ingay. Let's go. Kapit sa mga takbo dito. Grabe. Woo! Secured na pinaka-paborito ko. Okay guys, kakauwi ko lang. Very tired and exhausted. Grabe, ang haba ng trip na yun. Not gonna lie, maybe kasi ang layo ng Baguio to Manila. Halata naman eh. So, bago tayo mag-end of the video, may i-unveiling at unbox muna tayo. Which is... Wait for it. Yes! Jollibee times Beanie. Yan. Isa lang nabili ko because why not? Anyways, it could be anyone. I'm hoping na either si Mika or Maloy. Yun ang gusto ko. Others, pwede rin naman. Depends. Sige. So, pwede rin yung members. I would be lucky pag yung buong 7 members ng Beanie. Napakalaki nito. So, without further ado, let's get unveiling! Okay, gusto ko kasi na medyo to. So, okay, let's unveil. Na-picturean ko na to by the way. So, yeah. Okay, gupitin na natin. Yeah. Okay. Yan, nagupit na. Okay. Sino kaya to? Jollibee times Media. Thank you for purchasing. Ito yung nasa cover. Sino kaya to? My God! Wow! Amazing! So, ang nakuha ko si Aya. Si Beanie Aya. Yon.
pwede na rin. Okay na rin. Actually, maganda tong photo card na to. So, yeah, I'm gonna keep this in my wallet. Like, as a collectible. Maybe I could buy more photo cards. Kasi it runs until September 6. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Nakakapagod. Legit. Once again, thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace!